जी बिल्कुल.
They have not they referred the case law, nothing else.
That is the same thing which I asked you in the very first day, because so many new members are here, so they may be fully conversant with the controversy and the facts and judgments.
मैं आप दोनों के दरमियान एक बीच का रास्ता अपनाऊंगा. मैं बिल्कुल पूरी पिक्चर आपके सामने रखूंगा,
ताकि कोई बोर भी ना हो.
जी, लेकिन मैं कोशिश ये करूंगा कि मैं री आर्ग्यू ना करूं अपील आपके सामने, क्योंकि इसका रिकॉर्ड बहुत वॉल्यूमस है.
आप कोशिश करें कि आपकी पिक्चर फ्लॉप ना हो जाए.
सर वो तो आपके ऊपर है. एज लॉन्ग एज वी गेट ए राइट ऑफ हियरिंग, सर फ्लॉप हो, मूवी ना चले, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
सही है.
So I will try to balance the two. Now what I began by, and I hope that the new judges have got a overview when I read the facts, कि इसका फैक्चुअल बैकग्राउंड क्या है. और वो बहुत सिंपल है एक्चुअली. किस तरह डिस्प्यूट अराइज होता है उसको 1 मिनट में मैं कहता हूं कि क्योंकि वन ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज PTI, inter-party elections were not accepted. They were not given the common symbol. Now that had a consequence on the nomination papers which their candidates had filed. The election commission refused.
That has legal consequence, or it was presumed that it might be some. It was presumed.
Illegal consequences, मेरे ख्याल में.
It was presumed. There's no legal bar upon any party.
तो उसका result ये हुआ कि because they were not granted a common symbol, as all 11 judges have held, that the election commission misrepresented that order, both of the Peshawar High Court and of this honorable court in the inter-party case, कि ये party disqualify हो गई है election से. So they did not let the PTI candidates refer to them as PTI candidates. They were declared by the election commission through an order as independent candidates.
So meaning thereby illegality started from the filing of nomination form.
Yes. So the illegality by the election commission. अब वो जब independent 80 के ऊपर, there are actually 86 NA and numerous provincial, जब वो elect हो जाते हैं तो उनके सामने dilemma ये होता है, it's a huge number. This number in both the provincial assembly and the national assembly, they are entitled to over 78 reserve seats, which they get in terms of their proportion of general seat. जैसे पंजाब असेंबली में 32 वुमेन सीट्स हैं, उसमें शायद टोटल सीट्स हैं 141. 141 डिवाइडेड बाय 32, जिसको 4 जनरल सीट्स मिल जाएंगी उसको 1 वुमेन सीट मिल जाएगी. ये प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन.